Let's say trends in cybersecurity, the main terminology used through cybersecurity news or job postings, and some very general cybersecurity concepts they can use and apply to get to know the field better.
Task, to plan, to observe, to analyze, to discover. With the students, we went through three different parts. The first one was regarding an introduction to data visualization, also from a historical perspective. On the second part, we went through all of the different visual perception phenomena that help our eyes to understand data visually. And finally, we went through an exercise, a practical exercise and discussion regarding what is exactly the practice of mapping data into visual variables.
Well, until now, my favorite class was the one about the. It was like a workshop in which we had to implement something in a company that already exists, data science based and AI based. It was actually the longest course we are having because we have it in 4 days. It's very interesting, very stimulating. We are doing a lot of stuff, work all together, and it's kind of cool.